Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia and today we're going to be making some rainbow curtains. The first thing that you have to do is to get the measurements of the wall or the window that you're going to be hanging it from to figure out how much fabric you're going to need. For my measurements, came out to 108 inches, I believe, which equals to about 3 yards of each color. I used 6 colors total: light green, dark green, red, yellow, blue, and orange. So those are the 6 colors that I use. The fabric that we are going to use is poplin. This is what it looks like. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to sew. We're going to sew all the way around, so from top to bottom and just all the way around, so that there are no loose or fraying edges. So we're going to sew everything all around. That's step number 1. once you've secured all the corners, it's time to insert a hole for the hole that we're going to put the curtain rod through. So in order to do that, we are going to just fold it in from the top about 4 inches, about 4 inches from the top, and sew a hole to put that the curtain rod is going to go through. So we're going to do that with all of the fabric. Once all of that's done, then that's pretty much it. It's time to hang it up. So this is what the final product look like. You go all the way down to the floor. Ta-da! This is the finished product. I hope you liked it. I had so much fun making this. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TRIBESOFKIN, TRIBESOFKIN. Yeah, did I say comment below and let me know how you like it? If you end up doing it yourself, be sure to tag me so that I can repost it. If you would like me to make one of these beautiful curtains for you, head over to my website right now, TRIBESOFKIN.com, and you can purchase one for your home. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Mwah.